夢をつかむ英会話、夢つか
English
始まるよ。
Hi everyone, I'm Hiro. Today I'm going to teach you a Japanese recipe called Tako-meshi. It is very easy and yummy. First, go to the supermarket and buy these items: octopus leg, kombu, also known as kelp, soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking sake, white rice, and sugar. Some of these items may be only found in Asian markets. Now let's cook. First, wash 2 cups of rice in a bowl. Then drizzle in some sesame oil and shake the bowl lightly. Once evenly mixed, put the rice into a pot. Next, add 400 milliliter water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking sake, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cut the octopus legs into bite-sized pieces and put them into a pot. Last, place kombu on top and put the lid on. Turn off the stove to high and heat until boiled. Then lower the temperature between low and medium heat for 25 minutes. Then turn off the stove. Don't touch anything. Let it steam for 15 minutes. Here is chance. If you wanna take some pictures for your Instagram or your memories, mix the rice softly by folding the bottom to the top. Scoop some rice in a bowl and add your choice of green dried seaweed, burrito flakes, ginger, perilla, white sesame seeds on top. How does it taste? Is it good? Let me know. Comment, please. Let's try cooking, please. Thank you, everyone. 本当にありがとう。ぜひ作ってみてね。See ya!
Thanks for watching. Practice English with me on TikTok and Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!